Jaswant Singh Rawat was a brave soldier of the Indian Army known for his extraordinary valor during the 1962 Sino-Indian War. He served in the 4th Battalion of the Gar War Rifles and is famously remembered for single and option holding of troops for 72 hours at the who were ordered to prepare delaying position to cover the main defenses at Sela. On that day, the Chinese People's Liberation Army launched multiple attacks on their position in 3 ways. The Indian soldiers successfully beat back the first 3 waves due to good defensive preparations and support weapons like light machine guns. However, during the 4th attack, the Chinese medium machine gun emerged very close to the Indian bunkers, escalating the danger significantly. In response, Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat, along with Lance Corporal Akshay Negi and Rifleman Gopal Singh Ji USA, volunteered for a perilous mission to silence the enemy MNG. They crawled close to the enemy bunker, threw grenades, neutralized the Chinese sentries, and captured the MNG. In the attempt to return with the captured weapon, Jaswant Singh was seriously injured but held on. Despite severe odds, Jaswant Singh Rawat single action held off Chinese forces for approximately 72 hours with the technical help of 2 local Mon poggers, Sela and Neura, creating an illusion of a larger defending force. His squad's resistance inflicted heavy casualties on the Chinese side, about 300 soldiers, while the Guard or Rifles suffered limited losses. Ultimately, Sela was killed and Nora captured, and Jaswant Singh chose to shoot himself rather than be taken prisoner. The battle was strategically important in slowing Chinese advances, and for this extraordinary valor, Jaswant Singh Rawat was posthumously awarded the Mahavir Chakra. The Gar Rifles were also awarded the unique Battle Honor Nora 9, the only such honor received by any unit in the 1962 war. Today, the site is commemorated as Jaswant Gar, a symbol of Indian bravery and sacrifice. Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat is commemorated today as an immortal hero of the Indian Army who displayed extraordinary bravery during the 1962 Battle of Nora 9. A war memorial named Jaswant Gar is maintained in Andhra Pradesh at the battle site, serving as a tribute to his sacrifice and valor. This memorial is a revered place where the Indian Army and civilians pay homage to his legacy. Additionally, his story is part of military history education and is celebrated in various cultural and remembrance events, emphasizing his courage in defending India's Sindhu and Afghan for 72 hours against overwhelming odds. The Indian government posthumously awarded him the Mahavir Chakra, and his legacy continues to inspire soldiers and citizens alike as a symbol of patriotism and sacrifice.